Hey everyone, and welcome back to the 8th installment in my tutorial video series. Today we're still in QGIS and we're going to do a demo on how to show data and filter out data within the QGIS system. So of course we're going to start in QGIS. You should be already which should be already downloaded on your PC, and you've already booted up. So I already have a map that I've done with Mapbox. You can check my 7th video installment for that workflow. So I will just drag my map in. So today I want to visualize a data of a particular animal from let's say 1980s, 2000 and 2020. So first of all, of course, we're going to go into our browser of choice and go to Atlas of Living Australia. With this website, there's records of species of animals that have been observed throughout Victoria, which you can then visualize as data on a map. So we'll go into its homepage, and let's say I want to search for kangaroo. So we'll say an eastern grey kangaroo for now. You can see there's already a map within the website that shows you exactly those data, but it's showing all the data throughout. Pretty much history is showing all of the records. And you can view and download the occurrence records. Of course, within the Atlas of Living Australia website, you would have to sign up and with your organization as well in order to download all this data. So yep, once you have clicked on the view and download data, you can go into download, and we'll select the occurrence record, and yep, looks about right, full Darwin core and CSV, and we'll just click on education as the industry and application. Go to next, and it should download. So for people who haven't logged in, there will be a different display here telling you to log in first into your account. So if you go into my downloads, view a list of all your previous downloads, you should be able to access what you have downloaded a second ago, which is right here, the Calodina longicollis, which is the grey kangaroo that I just downloaded. Now we can just click on this to download the file, and you can input it into your folder of choice. Save. Once you have your file downloaded, it would save it as a zip file. So what you want to do is extract that file, and I'll just delete this one for organization's sake. And yeah, your records should be there. Once you've done that, you can go back into QGIS, and then what you want to do is go into layer, and you can create a layer. You can add a layer, and then what you want to do is add the limited text layer. Here you can then input your data using this 3-dot button and go into the dataset that you just downloaded, click on it and open, and it should bring in all the records that's within that file. Once you have that, you can add it in, and there we go. All of it is in your map. Now, of course, you want to filter these out so it will look much clearer on what it is you're trying to show. And so what I would do is go to properties, and we'll just categorize that data. Now, I'll just add in 3 data, which is what I mentioned at the beginning. So I want to show a data of the kangaroo from 1980, 2000, and 2020. That once you've set your category, you can then go into value and you can just type year. And I don't like the colors that have been inputted here, so I'll just go into random this color ramp here and change it to the color scheme that I want, in this case the spectral, and click apply, and there we go, it's showing it as is. So now you're able to show data filtered out within QGIS. Thank you for watching.